Namaste and welcome. Today, I have 10 uncommon Hindi words for you. You might have heard them but not know the exact meaning or how to use them in a sentence. I will help you to learn how to pronounce these words, tell you what they mean, and also how to use them in sentences so that you can really show off your Hindi skills. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and after watching this video, check out some of my other videos. Let's start. The first word is Vachal. Vachal in English means talkative. So if you want to say Sia is very talkative in Hindi, it will be Sia बहुत वाचाल है. Sia बहुत वाचाल है. The second word is Tathya. Tathya means fact. So if your question is, do you know this fact? In Hindi you will ask, क्या आप यह तथ्य जानते हैं? क्या आप यह तथ्य जानते हैं? The third word is Ikshu. Ikshu means sugarcane in English. So if you want to say sugar is made from sugarcane in Hindi, you will say चीनी इक्षु से बनती है. चीनी इक्षु से बनती है. The fourth word is वितरण. वितरण means distribution. So if the question is this the distribution center? In Hindi, you will say, क्या यह वितरण केंद्र है? क्या यह वितरण केंद्र है? Next is नैतिक. नैतिक means ethical. So if the question is this ethical? In Hindi, it will be, क्या यह नैतिक है? क्या यह नैतिक है? प्रस्ताव. प्रस्ताव means proposal. What is your proposal? In Hindi will be, आपका क्या प्रस्ताव है? आपका क्या प्रस्ताव है? श्रृंखला. श्रृंखला means series. So if you want to say there are 3 books in this series, in Hindi you will say इस श्रृंखला में 3 किताबें हैं. इस श्रृंखला में 3 किताबें हैं. एक कोशीय. एक कोशीय means single celled. Amoeba is single celled organism. In Hindi will be, अमीबा एक कोशीय प्राणी है. अमीबा एक कोशीय प्राणी है. गंतव्य. Gantavya means destination. So if I want to say, I have reached my destination, in Hindi, it will be, मैं अपने गंतव्य पहुंच गई हूँ. मैं अपने गंतव्य पहुंच गई हूँ. And the last word is उपकरण. उपकरण means an equipment or a tool. So if you say this equipment is new in English, in Hindi it will be यह उपकरण नया है. यह उपकरण नया है. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please check out my other video, 11 difficult Hindi words, for which the link is at the top of the screen, and please subscribe to my channel.